If you're concerned about the long-term effects of currency devaluation and want a way to protect your wealth from inflation or political instability, you're not alone. Many American retirees are turning to gold IRAs to hedge against these risks. And in this video, I'll show you exactly why and how this investment strategy works to preserve your financial security. As the value of the dollar fluctuates, especially in uncertain times, the purchasing power of your savings could be at risk. This is where gold IRAs come in. They're a safe, effective way to safeguard your retirement funds from the impact of currency devaluation. When paper money loses value, gold tends to retain or even increase its worth. This means that if you're holding a gold IRA, your assets are more likely to stay secure during periods of economic downturns or inflation. Before diving into gold IRAs, let's briefly look at what happens when the dollar weakens. The Federal Reserve's policies, global market pressures, or even political instability can all contribute to the erosion of the dollar's value. This means that the money you've worked hard to save could buy less in the future, leaving you vulnerable in retirement. While some people turn to traditional savings accounts, stocks, or bonds, none of these provide the same level of stability that gold can offer in turbulent times. Gold, on the other hand, has a history of being a reliable store of value, often described as the ultimate hedge. Unlike the dollar, which can be printed endlessly, gold is finite. There's only so much of it, which makes it a scarce asset with lasting value. This is exactly why it's trusted during periods of economic uncertainty. When currencies lose value, people flock to gold to preserve their wealth. And when you invest in a gold IRA, you're not just holding physical gold, you're securing a long-term hedge against inflation. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below to access a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already taking action and securing their savings through gold IRAs. You can learn why this strategy is so effective and how you can get started, even if you're just beginning to explore your options for diversifying your retirement portfolio. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I have my 401k, or I've got investments in stocks. Why do I need a gold IRA? The answer is simple. Traditional retirement funds, like stocks or bonds, are directly tied to the performance of the dollar. If the dollar weakens, so could your portfolio. But with gold in a gold IRA, you're holding an asset that operates outside of the traditional financial system. And that's the key to protecting your retirement from these devaluations. Moreover, a gold IRA is tax advantaged, just like traditional retirement accounts. It allows your investment to grow without the immediate tax burden, giving you the potential to accumulate more wealth over time. But the real beauty of a gold IRA is how it provides a sense of security in a world full of financial uncertainties. So, let's recap. Gold IRAs are a fantastic way to hedge against currency devaluation because they offer a stable, inflation-proof asset that grows in value during uncertain economic times. It's a strategy that allows you to preserve your purchasing power and protect your wealth when other investments might be at risk. If you're interested in learning more about how you can use a gold IRA to safeguard your financial future, click the first link in the description for a free guide to get started. This resource is especially valuable for American retirees with 100K plus in their IRA or 401K, or even those with 5M plus in savings. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your financial future now. Thanks for watching. And remember, the earlier you start diversifying into a gold IRA, the better protected you'll be when currency devaluation hits.